Hey there, TV enthusiasts. Are you ready for an amazing upgrade that will transform your living room into a cinematic paradise? I'm super excited to share with you my review of the LG 65-inch Class OLED. With its incredible picture quality and impressive features, this TV is truly the creme de la creme. First off, let's talk about what makes it so special: its OLED technology. Celebrating 12 years of perfecting award-winning OLED TV technology, this TV is no stranger to greatness. But what does that mean for you? Simply put, it means incredibly deep blacks, rich colors, and a viewing experience that's unmatched by other TVs. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but doesn't OLED mean it's going to be super bright? Well, yes and no. The LG 65-inch Class OLED actually features something called brightness booster technology, which magnifies each individual pixel for luminous quality that shines with every detail. That means even in well-lit rooms, you'll still get an incredible picture. And speaking of rooms, the TV is also bright room ready, verified by UL for discomfort glare-free, UGR less than 22. This means you can confidently watch your favorite shows or movies without any issues. It's like having a personal movie theater in your living room. Now, let's dive into some of the other amazing features this TV has to offer. The Alpha 9 AI Processor Gen8 is basically the brains behind the operation. It uses AI Super Upscaling technology to automatically enhance picture quality, whether you're watching sports, movies, or a late-night favorite. And with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos for sound, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action. But what really gets me excited is the gaming features on this TV. It's truly designed with gamers in mind. With a 0.1 milliseconds response time and up to 144 Hz refresh rate, you'll be able to play games at lightning-fast speeds without any blurring or tearing. Plus, it has NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync Premium, and VRR to further improve gaming quality. And let's not forget about the input options. For HDMI 2.1 inputs mean you can plug in all your favorite devices, from consoles to streaming services. The LG Game Dashboard and Game Optimizer put all the control at your fingertips, so you can focus on what matters most: having an epic gaming session. But here's the thing. It's not just about the specs. It's about how they come together to create a truly incredible viewing experience. With its nearly invisible bezel and art gallery mode for artwork, photos, and more, this TV is not just a great picture quality, but also a stylish addition to any room. In terms of accessibility, I want to give a shout out to LG for making their WebOS 25 platform super easy to use. It's designed with simplicity in mind, so you can search less and stream more. It's like having your own personal streaming assistant. Finally, let's talk about energy efficiency. The good news is that this TV is actually quite eco-friendly. With its power-saving features, you'll be able to enjoy an amazing picture without breaking the bank or harming the environment. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the LG 65-inch Class OLED. It's a game-changer for anyone looking for an incredible viewing experience. Trust me, you won't regret upgrading to this TV. It's truly worth every penny. Check out the link below for the best price, and get ready to elevate your home entertainment to new heights.